Good afternoon, everyone. So now today is the last session, valedictory session for this Atal-sponsored faculty development program on IoT-based applied engineering in agriculture. So in the last basics of IoT, the IoT devices and architectures. Then you have also learned about industry standards for IoT, then IoT softwares and about IoT security. And you have also learned about artificial intelligence based IoT. Additionally, you have you have also performed the hands devices, particularly Arduino, Raspberry Pi, as well as today you have performed on some Arduino based, you have performed the experiments, have measured the soil moisture and humidity. Apart from that, we have also covered some and we have also conducted one self. So first and foremost, I would like to welcome our coordinator, sir, for this event, who will be presiding over this session. So I would like the participant to share their experiences, whether we have met their learning expectations in this FDP or not, and what they feel, how this will contribute to their if the participants mute themselves and share their feedback, that will be wonderful.
Good afternoon, sir, and everyone. It's Krisha Samdani here from MPST Academy, NMIMS Indore and Mumbai campus. So I actually wanted to thank all the participants and all the organizers for this particular workshop, because it has given us a very good information if someone would like to work in IoT domain, as well as specifically related to agricultural applications and so on. Currently, I'm probably proceeding my PhD in the same domain, so now it has given me a more better idea of what all things can be done in this area, and probably hopefully I can take this knowledge further and implement something better out of it. So thank you for organizing this workshop. So thank you.
Yes, thank you. Anybody else?
Anyone else?
Hello?
Please unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yes, you are audible.
I'm Gauri. Good evening. I'm Gauri Rao from Bharati Vidyapit College of Engineering, Pune. And I also want to thank the organizers and all the speakers, very eminent speakers we could get. And I'm really thankful for organizing this workshop. And I'm doing two small projects. One is on IoT for greenhouse and another is IoT for vertical farming. So this FDP really helped me in performing these projects. Means now I've got a better idea of what actually how to proceed with. So once again, thank you very much. Really very well organized workshop. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you, Gauri. Yes, Amit sir.
Yes,
Amit
good
Kadam,
evening to
sir.
everyone. I am Amit Kadam from Anantarao Power College of Engineering, Pune. I am working on the IoT from 2018 itself, and this workshop very helpful for me as well as all the participants. And there is a eminent speakers for this particular FDP, and I got lots of knowledge, and I basically thank all the committee members of this organizing committee and IIT Kota itself. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Amit. Anybody else?
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Yes, good
This is
afternoon.
Dr. Madhur Upadhyay from Shivnadar University. I am very new in this domain, and me and my couple of students has started the work in the IoT field. So we develop a small prototype for some controlling this, means monitoring the dam water level, as well as we develop a small prototype for just measuring the moisture and some sensitivity, temperature kind of sensitivity for agriculture based thing. We had collected data across the country, means at what temperature people are means using the different for their different crops, and we are doing something nearly like this. So we are very new in that domain, and here I would like to appreciate your effort, because say the IoT is a very vast domain, right? Means networking, architectures, and a lot of things are there. And the beauty of your program is that you manage this in very well manner. You have touched every domain of the IoT. It's such a really nice workshop. I am thankful for your effort, means for your workshop. And finally, I conclude this. Uh, Best wishes to all the organizers, and thank you to all.
Thank you. Oh,
Uh, Anyone else? Kindly unmute yourself and share your feedback. I'll request every participants to turn on their video so that we can see you also. We can see you and kindly share, turn on your video for a while and unmute also yourself, and then share your feedback. Those who don't have camera, then and uh, no problem. Madhu Rao sir, as it's visible now. Amit Kadam sir. Audio, kindly turn on unmute yourself only if you want to share the feedback.
Hello. Hello. Good afternoon, sir. Hello.
Dilip sir. Yes, Dilip sir. Go ahead. Hello, Dilip sir.
you muted down earlier. Okay, so now we are audible to others now.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, then I'll start. So thank you all. Myself, A.K. Vyas, coordinator of the Institute, IIIT Kota. Probably we interacted on the day the event started, and I had seen that we had invited so many experts from different fields, not only from the IT but from the agriculture field also. And we had, as per your report and your experience, was a very successful program. Thank you all for that. We wanted, and I'm very much happy to see that many people, not only from Rajasthan but from outside Rajasthan, they have also interacted. They have also participated in the program and found this program a useful. As a matter of fact, we had chosen this topic on the agriculture because it's a thrust area for, especially in the country of India, where we have about 70% of the people staying in the rural regions. And when we work for this area, naturally the livelihood of those people will be uplifted. And this program would be much more successful when this technology, which was discussed with different experts, is implemented in the field. So once the first task is to identify what are the problems in the field, what are the problems which are faced by the farmers in the smart farming process, and how to eliminate those problems with the help of technology available. And if technology is not adequately available, we can also work on are engaged in the area of research, teaching and research, and you can contribute a lot if you take interest in this IoT field related to agriculture field. So actually, we also do this kind of. I'm not from the IT background, but I am from civil engineering background, and I can tell you we have also done on several field problems, and we have eliminated some of the problems which are there in the field. Some of the examples I'll just quote and how the people got relieved of those problems. Just one example I'm going to tell is about there is a zinc industry in the area nearby Udaipur, and they are having a lot of waste, zinc slag waste, no. So that was piling up, it was occupying the space, and the space was some useless. So those people approached us and they wanted some fruitful solution for utilization of that waste. What we did is that that waste was utilized in concrete and some road construction, and by experimentation. Of course, it was not known that how this waste could be used in those construction activities. Then we started using in the laboratory that waste by replacing part of the sand, which is a river sand, which was replaced partly in different steps, and we just found out what are the properties of different samples, and we compared that properties with the original samples, that is control samples, and we found that there was no adverse effect on the strength of the samples. Also, we conducted some study on the durability properties like this. So about 1 year study only we could tell that of course this waste which is piling up in your industry can be very well utilized for construction activities of the road as well as for the concrete work. So those people in the concrete, what they started doing, they started construction of a road stretch, small stretch for experimental work. And after 1 year, they found that that road was very successfully, and there was no sign of distress, and it was still durable. And then they started using for road construction in the bituminous roads also. That's how that problem was eliminated. So what I mean to say, this is the example this is one of the examples what we came across in the past in our institute. So you can also think of what are the problems with the farmers and what prevents them to adopt the smart farming, what kind of knowledge should be imparted to them. Of course, there may be many of them must be well literate and many of them are illiterate. I agree to that. But some way or other, some training programs need to be organized at your institutes so that the local farmers are they can get acquainted with the technology available and what techniques can bring them more crop production, and that's how they can live their life comfortably. Of course, some of them might have some problem that they may not be having adequate money to purchase those costly items. What those people do is that they just take loan from the banks, and that loan what they are going to take can be repaid only if this technology is transferred successfully to the field. Once it is successfully transferred to the field, then the production, the income what they are going to get production can be utilized for repayment of loan. So these are the things which can really help in the practice. Whatever you are doing here, either in the form of research or for teaching, that should directly be transferred to the field without any delay, and that is the fruit bearing. You can say your efforts would be fruit bearing in such a way. So again, I thank you the organizing committee led by Mr. Parikshit Singh in our institute, and the invited experts who spared their valuable time, O.P. Yadav Saab and Sarma ji and Gupta ji, who came from different institutes and spared time. They might have had the fruitful discussions with you, might have got something uh, fruitful, and I hope that whatever has been discussed will be well utilized by you in the field. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. I think some of you got disconnected. Maybe anyone would like to share any feedback, or we can.
You can give some suggestions. They can give some suggestions.
You can give some suggestions also.
Hello, can I share, sir?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sir. Yeah, can I go ahead?
Yes, please.
Yeah, I thank the organizers for a wonderful program, FPG program, where the fundamentals has been covered very well, and agricultural aspect also has been very well dealt. But I feel that we can add few more things like a case studies, practical case studies, which was implemented successfully in the field agricultural. Because some of the experiments what you have shown is good for the academic point of view, but they cannot be deployed in the field actually. So you could have taken one of the cases where it is actually deployed some solutions and how they have designed their architecture, what hardware they would have used for that, what software platform they have used for that. That could have been added for that. And otherwise, it is wonderfully organized. The whole program was done very well, and it was very useful. Thank you very much. I am Badrinath from RV College of Engineering, Bangalore.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, good afternoon, sir. I would like to share the feedback. Parikshit, sir. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Coordinator, sir, is listening, sir.
Okay, okay. Yeah, sir. A very good afternoon to all. I would like to share. Actually, I'm excited to share because I'm attending the FDP at least in an online manner for first time, and I experienced that the experience is really good. The organization of the team, the Parikshit sir and their team have very means at the exact time delivered everything. Every day they were communicating using WhatsApp, using email. They shared all the resources that was required. As and I attended all the lecture except in the morning I was unable to attend. Except that I attended all the lectures, and the speaker those were chosen. They have also said very well, and it was a kind of mixed program. There was an introduction in the day one, and later on much of the focus was on the research, and that was actually what I was expecting through the program, and this program met my expectation. And I thank you, the IIT, Triple IT Kota, for organizing such a nice event, and also the Government of India AICT Atal initiative, because through which I could see that more than 120 or 130 participants every day attending all the sessions, and these all the participants are from all the corners of the country. So thank you, sir, and we'll be happy to attend any program is there from your institute in the future also. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, myself, Sameer Jain, I would like to share some points. First of all, I would like to thank to everyone who's been organized this wonderful program, which is driven by and coordinated by the Parikshit sir and his team. Second point is I would like to add on something. See, right now we are we are looking into the Atmanirbhar Bharat, and this IoT, what I feel is very good kind of stuff, where it is not only increasing the income of the farmer, so we are concentrating on the income of the academician as well. So double the income of the academician is also been addressed because they're working day and night. And this is a very good point because right now we are focusing on not for academic point of view, we are focusing on academic to market. So the next point is, so what is the extension of this FDP? The extension of this FDP, what we would like to in future is, this, how do we market the product? Whatever we make it in terms of farming activities, in terms of making product, soil moisture products, agriculture products, smart city products, and so forth. So that is what the point is, the suggestion or the comment given by me. And everything is very well planned and it is very well organized. Thank you so much, the entire team of Parikshit sir and the IIIT Kota.
Thank you.
Yeah, sir. Good evening, sir. I am Dr. Mohan from Sir IIIT. It's a really extraordinary program. A lot of pain. Even at the night level, you will get all the videos and extraordinary cooperation and all extraordinary. I thank Dr. Vinay, extraordinary teacher, very nicely taught us. Very good, sir. Entire session was beautiful, and we never ever forget this. Thank you, one and all professors and team.
Thank you, sir. I hope you have reached. You said you will be there at 4 p.m.
Yeah, I am near bus, sir. I am near bus, and I am talking. Yeah, bus may leave now. Thank you very much, Professor.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, that for so many kind words you have shared. Definitely we'll work on that. Some suggestions that we have to incorporate the studies or a hands-on that those who are which are applicable to the actual field. So something we can do that part in the next of this FDP. And also, as you have said, Sameer Jain sir, that about this marketing. I would like to say that there is one, there is some e-Mandi is there, something that initially I tried to contact one something e-Mandi, something I am not getting that e-market or something.
It is known as NEP. It is known as e-marketplace. It is known as e-marketplace driven by government. So my focus is, why don't we focus on double the income of the academician as well? Because the double of the income is for the farmer is okay, but the parallel is double of the income of the academician is also been addressing. This is also been a part of the society.
Yeah. Sure. Keep one the government. So something I name I'm calling but we tried to keep that also, but somehow not exact response, so we could not incorporate that. So maybe we'll try this. This suggestion is very well taken, that we manifest this our quiz. The quiz examination will be active from 6 p.m. and as you have to means 20 questions means 12 questions, you will have to get it right. They are all objective, multiple choice, and very simple. We have also taken care of your time constraint. Some of you may be busy, so we will be keeping the link active for 3 hours, 6 to 9 p.m. And as per your convenience, you can submit. But I will request all of you to submit by 9 p.m. today, because the link will have a timer, and the form will have a timer, and that form will be closing at 9 p.m. So kindly cooperate with that. And further, in the night, I'll be sharing one opinion form that is for our internal record. The Atal feedback form will be separate, that you will have to fill through that Atal portal only. So with this, I will say bye. Again, we'll meet for some other FDP. Maybe that we can communicate to each other meanwhile. So I thank you, all the participants. I thank you that my director sir. I thank you my coordinator sir, Professor Uday Kumar R. Yaragatti, and Professor A.K. Vyas sir for encouraging us. I thank you that AICT Atal for sponsoring the event. I thank you all the experts who given their valuable time to come and share their knowledge with the participants. I thank you all the faculty member and staff members for giving me the assistance. And I thank you my student volunteers also for making all the digital content. And lastly, I thank you all the participants. Particularly, I'm very thankful that I had 150, 40 to 150 participants almost constant. So that was very good from the day one. So we could hold on to the audience. So that is a great feedback for us. So with this note, I'll thank you. Thank you, everyone.